Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm gonna make this little quick video. I got a 2012 Ford Fusion SE with a little 2.5 gas motor, and just did a water pump on it. And what I wanted to show is for anybody who has done one of these, if you don't know where the coolant bleed valve is, bleed hose, it is right here. It is located on the driver's side, right, pretty much at the back of the cylinder head. If you look at the valve cover, it's pretty much in line with that valve cover. And what it is a little cap in here. You have to take a straight blade screwdriver and you're going to unscrew this to let the air out as you're filling the cooling system up. Otherwise, you're going to have air trapped in the engine and it's going to overheat really quickly. So make sure you unscrew this and then start where you can fill up your reservoir. And it's only going to take so much, and then you can open this up and let all that air come out. And you'll hear it. You'll hear it bubbling and gurgling. All right. Hope that helps somebody out, because I had to go looking for this myself. All right. Hit that like button. Hit that share button. Subscribe button. And I'll catch you all on the next one.